So what we're doing now is we're drilling these small block Chevy heads for 400 steam holes. Right? And they've got to be done, the intake side has to be drilled at an angle, 30 degrees. So I've already done the straight side, which is the exhaust side, and the intake side, I start them straight because it's a small bit and it wants to walk. So I'll start them at 90 and then I'll tilt it. And I've got my spindle of my machine is plumb, and I got my cradle at 30 degrees. So I'm drilling them at exactly 30 degrees per the instructions on the internet. So let's go. See it? Don't drill the whole hole, but keep coming. So the reason why we're doing this in the machine, you could do it by hand, but I wouldn't want to. It's a little bit scary trying to get the bit not to walk. This way, when it's done in the machine, everything's plumb, it's at the right angle. I'm not afraid of the bit walking. There's a lot less chance of the bit breaking because I'm not, I'm going nice and easy. It's nice and straight. I can control it. And this is why machine shops charge what we charge, okay? Not that it can't be done by a DIYer, but, to pay a machinist an hour to do this is probably money well spent. The end.